Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple way to find out the parent process ID or PPID of any running processes in Ubuntu. This is super useful when you are debugging, managing services, or just getting curious about what started what. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, begin with opening the terminal. So you can click on this app icon or your super key, which is the Windows key on your keyboard, and simply type terminal or click on the terminal over here. Now, once you have your terminal, the next thing that we have to do is you have to find the parent ID. But before that, we will need the child process ID. So for that, you can just simply paste a simple command that will be given to you in the description box below, and then hit enter. This shows all matching processes. You will see the PID in the second column or the first column, whichever one is working for you. And then once you have that, you can write it down somewhere or just simply use the same terminal. In my case, we are going to use this one because over here in the scenario 3931 is the PID of gnome-terminal in my system. Now we will move on to the next step. Now that we have the PID, let's find out the parent. So again, use the simple command that will be given to you in the description box below, or just simply copy it from the screen over here. Now in your case, what you have to do is you have to replace 3931 with your own PID. Now once you paste the command, you just want to hit enter. And once we do this, it tells us to show me the parent process ID of the process 3931. The number that comes as an output will be the PPID or the parent process ID. There is a bonus tip that I would like to give you if you want to see both the child's PID and its parent PID in a single line. You can simply use this command, which you can again find in the description box below, and then hit enter. This will show columns for the process ID, parent process ID, and the command used to launch the process altogether. So that's it. Now you know how to check the parent process ID of any given child process in Ubuntu using a simple terminal command. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.